Assalamu alaikum, welcome to you all in this video. Today I will show you how to test any Bluetooth module in very minimalistic way without any kind of microcontroller or Arduino. I will show the best and easy way. Here I have a HC05 module. You can also test HC06 using the same method. For that, at first we need to power up the Bluetooth module. For that, I am connecting two jumper wire with VCC and ground pin, and we need to connect it with a 5V power supply. Only for power supply I am using Arduino because I can easily take 5V and ground from the Arduino, but the Arduino is not using for any kind of program or anything. It's just using for powering the Bluetooth module. Now take a female to female jumper cable and connect it with between the RX and TX pin. Okay, the RX and TX pin is shorted by this female to female cable. The LED is blinking, that means the module is now on. Now open your mobile and go to the Play Store and search for a app name Serial Bluetooth Terminal. This app, note the developer name. Install this software and open it. But before open the software, we need to go to the Bluetooth option and we need to pair this module with our mobile phone. If we scan, we are looking that there is a available device name HC05. Click on it. We need to submit the pin number. The default pin is 1234. Okay, the device is now in the paired device list. Okay, now close it and open the Serial Bluetooth Terminal app. Okay, now go to the device section and click the HC05 module. Okay, it's showing that connected, and we are looking that the LED is now blinking in every 3 seconds. That means the module is now connected with our Bluetooth app. Now I will type any kind of message. Suppose I will type Antitronics, my channel name. Here we are looking that when I send a message, it's directly replied again to me, because the RX TX pin is shorted. When I send a message, the message is transmitting via TX pin, and though the TX pin is connected with RX pin, then the message again received by the Bluetooth module. So if I send any kind of message, it will return to this module again. Look, when I type hello, it's returned me again hello. The blue color text is sent by me and the green color message is received by this module. That means the module is working, it can transmit and receive data. I hope all of you understand how to test any kind of Bluetooth module. You can use the same method for HC06 module. The connection will be same and the full process will remain same. If you like this video, or if the video was helpful for you, I will request you to subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching this video.